This is an extremely clean product, okay? So there's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oil.
One time, she's about to be Lego.
What's good, my peoples?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, introducing.
It's your girl, Nicole. Welcome. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on my video. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much for continuing to support me. All right, so today we are talking about my favorite shampoos, okay? I actually had somebody request this video as well. Shout out to you, Samantha, okay? And I also just wanted to give you guys the reasons why I use each and every one of these shampoos, okay? So I've got 3 for you. That's all I've got. These are what I use. I use these interchangeably depending on either like the style that I'm going for or what my hair is telling me it needs, basically. So if you watched my DIY honey and olive oil pre-poo video, you would have heard me say that I normally do my pre-poos before I use my clarifying shampoo. If you missed that video, I'll put it down below in the description. But anywho, so if you watched that video, you heard me say that I use that whenever I use my clarifying shampoo. So I use my clarifying shampoo once a month. The reason why I only use it once a month is because it can give you like a really stripped feeling. Clarifying shampoos literally like trap all of the dirt and all of the buildup and everything that you have been adding to your hair and washes it away. But it washes away like natural oils, like whatever your scalp naturally will create for your hair, like the good stuff. So it'll wash away literally the good and the bad. So that's why you don't want to use that too frequently, but you do have to make sure that your hair is clean. If your hair is not clean, your hair will not grow. So you want to make sure that your scalp is clean, but I only really need to do that once a month. Now, if I'm doing like wash and goes often, which y'all, if you follow me, you know I have not done wash and goes that much, but just because of the amount of gel and stuff that you would put on your hair, if I'm doing a wash and go, I'll probably use a clarifying shampoo more often, maybe twice a month. But because I don't put that much product in my hair, I'm probably just gonna clarify once a month. So the clarifying shampoo that I use is the Melanin African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. Okay, so this is what it looks like. You're familiar with Natural 85. She actually created this. She is an OG YouTuber. This is an extremely clean product, okay? So there's no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, no mineral oils, no a bunch of other stuff that I cannot pronounce, of course. But extremely clean product. This is extremely clarifying, but it doesn't give my hair, like my hair feels extremely clean, but it doesn't feel super stripped, in my opinion, because I use my pre-poo. So if you use your pre-poo before you clarify, you won't get that extremely stripped feeling. But if you just go in with a clarifying shampoo, your hair might feel really clean. And a lot of people hate that feeling, like when your hair just feels so dry and stripped, but sometimes it's really needed because you want to make sure that you get all the bad stuff off of your hair. Okay, so I also make sure that I have a moisturizing shampoo. You want to make sure that you have a moisturizing shampoo because whenever you're not using your clarifying shampoo, you're going to be using your moisturizing shampoo. So like I said, I use my clarifying shampoo once a month, and so those other 3 times in the month that I wash my hair, I use a moisturizing shampoo. Now, moisturizing shampoos are extremely hydrating, extremely hydrating. It's not gonna give you like the deepest clean, but it's gonna clean your hair enough for you to be able to restyle your hair. The product that I use is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Morocco, and it's sulfate free, and gives you moisture and shine. So this is what that looks like. I love this stuff. This is really cheap too. Like I think it's like $5 or something. I don't know. I'll put the actual price right here. But this stuff is extremely cheap, and it's extremely moisturizing. Like really, really, really moisturizing. Like I love this shampoo so very much. And like I said, I use this the most out of all of the shampoos, and I've had this bottle for about 6 months now, and I'm probably like right down to here. But yeah, I love this shampoo. It's amazing. So that's my second shampoo. All right, and then my third favorite shampoo, I typically only use this shampoo when I'm straightening my hair, so I really use it like 2 to 3 times a year. But I absolutely love this shampoo. It's the Redken All Soft shampoo. This is what it looks like. I use this shampoo when I'm straightening my hair because I really believe in like starting from the beginning with your style. And so this shampoo really allows me to get like a really soft, sleek, like straight look. And I really love this shampoo, like strictly for that. It's not the most clean products in here. Like the first couple products is water, which is great, but then it's a sodium sulfate. So you can read through it, but it's not the most clean products in here, which is why I only use it for straightening my hair. So I use it very seldom. I do also really love that they have argan oil in here, and my hair loves argan oil. Like it really loves it. And argan oil promotes hair growth, and it has like multiple healing properties within it. So argan oil is amazing. But yeah, so those are my 3 shampoos. Like of course you don't have to have like 3 separate shampoos, but you do want to make sure that you have a clarifying and a moisturizing shampoo, just to make sure that you're getting that deep clean, and also to make sure that you have a moisturizing shampoo that you can use more frequently, that's not gonna like tear out all of the natural oils and stuff like that that you already have on your hair. So here's another look at all of my shampoos. And so I hope that was extremely helpful for you guys. Also, I have low porosity hair, so these products really work well with low porosity hair. Thanks so much for listening, guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Help us sister out. Thanks, guys.
Go down.